Hello. In this tutorial, we will learn about a simple random sample. We will learn how to take a simple random sample. We will learn its advantages and its disadvantages. In a random sample, every member of the population has an equal chance of being chosen. This leads to a sample that is representative of the population, a sample that is fair or unbiased. If you only ask the people in the front row of a plane if the seats are comfortable, your sample would be biased. An unbiased sample would include people from different rows in the plane. Choosing the people at random will lead to choosing an unbiased sample. A good sampling frame is needed to take a simple random sample. A sampling frame is a list of all the members of the population. To take a simple random sample, number each of the members of the population in the sampling frame. Generate a random number with a computer or calculator, or find one in a table of random numbers. The item or person matching the random number is chosen. This continues until the desired sample size has been reached. If a random number appears twice or is too large, it is discarded and another random number is generated. The advantages of a simple random sample are every member of the population has an equal chance of being chosen. Provided the sample is large enough, it is likely to be representative of the population. The choice of members of the sample is unbiased. The disadvantages of a simple random sample are it needs a complete list of the population. It can be time-consuming to choose the items or people. It needs a large sample size to ensure it's representative and unbiased. Here are some typical exam questions on simple random samples. Explain what is meant by a random sample for 1 mark. You would reply, in a random sample, every member of the population has an equal chance of being chosen. Here's another example. There are 1,200 students in the college. Jean is going to use a simple random sample of 40 of these students. Describe how she could select this sample. Include any possible problems. That's for 4 marks. So in this question, you would need to describe how to take a simple random sample, but in the context of 1,200 students and a sample size of 40. Here's a suitable response. Number the students from 1 to 1,200. Generate a random number with a computer or calculator between 1 and 1,200. The student matching the random number is chosen. Repeat until 40 students have been chosen. This would be enough for 3 marks. And then for the 4th mark, you would need to give a possible problem. You could choose any one of these. If a random number appears twice or is too large, it is discarded. It may be difficult to obtain a register of the 1,200 students. The register may be out of date. Students may be absent or refuse to participate. To recap, in a simple random sample, every member of the population has an equal chance of being chosen. If the sample is large enough, it will be representative of the population and unbiased.